I've got before I go to my next question, I've got somebody comment and said, kind of matters what space you're in as well. Cloud security architects here in public space, if you're dealing with DoD, Microsoft Gov Cloud is the only option available.
Yeah. So, BM, thanks for that wonderful insight. Yeah, federal or public sector, especially in the US, does vary. Now, for what it's worth, it's not just Microsoft. I think maybe some organizations only go with Microsoft within the Department of Defense, but there was a big lawsuit, I think, I don't know, maybe 5 years ago or so. I don't remember what it was called. I think Jedi was the name of the contract. But essentially what it comes down to is there was a big fight between Amazon and Microsoft and even Google on who would be the cloud service provider for the US government. So all three of these platforms do have a regulated and certified environment for use in the government. We call that certification FedRAMP. So if you're familiar with FedRAMP, you'll see that all three of these large service providers do support US government. However, in many places, because there's such a Microsoft focused perspective, you'll see that a lot of people just naturally align with Microsoft GovCloud. That is absolutely true.
Absolutely. And then somebody piggybacked on what you said. Security experts said that he had a client rack up $160,000 by mistake. Oh, man.
Don't want to do that. Like, you know, so
yeah, exactly.
We want to avoid that. So that's why I'm telling you about this stuff. So local stack is a great first step if you want to do things locally. The second step, what you mentioned, Bruce, is try the free tier trial. But that means you have to be really conscientious about what is in free tier, and that's not always clear. So you can do free tier if you're doing small projects, absolutely. But if you stumble onto something that you don't know how to undo, you could rack up $160K bill, and you don't want to do that. So you got to be really careful. The third thing that I would recommend, highly recommend, well worth the investment, is an investment with A Cloud Guru, now a company of Pluralsight. A Cloud Guru is a learning platform where they teach you all about different cloud technologies, security, implementation, automation, and it's amazing. The thing that I love the most about A Cloud Guru is that they offer what's called sandboxing. What this means is that you can go and spin up access to an AWS environment or Azure or GCP or even Oracle and test it for a couple of hours, and you never have to worry about the build. You can test whatever you want for that period of time, and it's definitely helpful when you're trying to learn and get certified, and it doesn't come with that risk of that $160K bill that we had somebody mention earlier. So now the pricing, I think it's like $500 a month or something like that. I don't remember, but I would recommend waiting till like a time where there's a holiday. I got mine around Black Friday, which is closer towards a Christmas holiday, and it cost me like $265, I think. So great deal on it. And it's definitely worth it. So that is for 1 year of access. And that is like, even the full price is completely reasonable and worth every penny, because you have access to all these different cloud environments, and it's going to help you grow. So I could keep talking. I'm not promoting them. They don't pay me. I'm not trying to plug them. I'm just saying my experience has been overwhelmingly positive, and it's a great place to go if you want to learn about cloud and have a safe place to do that.
Wow, thank you, man. That's two awesome resources that I'm definitely gonna check out. And bonus was that Docker. So the more I'm learning about containers and stuff, the more I'm realizing how important it is to cloud and virtualization and stuff like that. So man, great insight.